Welcome to Saving America. This is Dr. David D. Shine. This is our production episode that we call In the News. Merck created a pill that will help people who are recently diagnosed with COVID-19. This is similar to a drug that was also developed for people who are recently infected with the flu. If they're given the medication quickly, it does help them to deal with it. What's interesting here is Merck is charging 40 times what it costs to make each pill. And the feds are looking at paying for this at $712 a pill. Now, here's the problem I have. A private company privately develops something. I am fine with them charging whatever the market will bear. But in this case, the government provided millions of dollars of funding to Merck to have this happen. And to me, Merck has a responsibility to the US government not to soak people whose tax dollars help create the drug in question. And just a little bit more information here for In the News, obviously a very busy week. And New York Times overestimated child COVID-19 hospitalizations by 1,328%. So the old grand lady who supposedly was the source of the best news in America clearly has fallen into disrepair. And I think the whole newspaper is suffering from Alzheimer's disease because clearly it is not anything that we can trust to be a reliable source today. The paper of record, as it's called, published an astonishingly lengthy correction after its lead coronavirus correspondent, Apurva Mandaville, reported multiple falsehoods in a single article. The article also misstated the number of COVID hospitalizations in the US children. It is more than 63,000 from August of 2020 to October of 2021, not 900,000 since the beginning of the pandemic. Folks, there are children, sadly, who have been hospitalized. Sadly, there are children who have died. However, childhood death from COVID is extremely rare statistically. If you use the raw number, it sounds worse. But then if you create an artificially ridiculous number, it sounds even worse. And these are the same Nazis who want to put a mask on every little child, regardless of the risk factors involved. So that's In the News for this episode of Saving America by Dr. David D. Shine. Thanks for joining us.